Hello my bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another drawing video. This is, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, a Mommy Long Legs video, drawing video from Poppy's Playtime. This isn't quite a tutorial style video because I did not draw the entire body, the entire picture in the video, but you're going to see a mixture of pictures and photos together with music overlaid. I did initially do talking audio over it, but I just thought it'd be a little bit with just me talking, and I'm just very talking very sparsely, so I'm probably just going to mute the audio and just lay music over it because that would be way more entertaining. Again, it's going to be a mixture of drawing and pictures that you're going to see, that I'm going to have it spliced together all nice and pretty. And this is what I use to make my stickers for a custom order, but this will also be available to purchase on my Etsy shop. And I'm also probably going to get this made into a keychain. The person that commissioned this bought my ring from me and the stickers, and they also wanted a keychain. Pardon me, that's where I was going. But I told them, since my keychains are made through Vograce and I have to make the design and send it off to a manufacturer, that it takes like at least a month for me to get the keychains. So they said they'd wait, but I'm still probably going to go ahead and order the keychains. I'll probably order a smaller quantity than the ones I've bought in the past because 10 was a little bit too much apparently. So I should probably just buy about 5 of each. But as for the stickers, I make them myself. So, ta-da! As you can see, I've already cut off the ones that she ordered and shipped those out. But yes, these are the finalized stickers. And I use my own glossy paper, which is, I promise I'm almost done, inkjet vinyl sticker paper from Koala brand. This was what somebody recommended to me on Instagram. They are tear resistant, water resistant, and glossy, and you can use them with inkjet printers, which is what I own, an inkjet printer, so they work really good. Highly recommend. Might not always work for your printer though. I have a Canon M3600 takes 240 and 241 XL printer ink. That way you know what I'm using, and that's what I'm using to print these, and they came out really nice, and look at the gloss on them. I'm pretty happy with it. But yes, you'll see more pictures and more drawings and stuff in the video itself, so that's more than enough of that. And again, I will be hopefully making these into a keychain. I got a lot going on right now, plus I'm still working on my original art for the cutie cryptid critters, so stay tuned for that as well. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and enjoy this music and enjoy this drawing video together. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for next week's video, which I don't know what it'll be yet, but we'll find out together. I think it should be a monthly artist feature by now, so I will see you guys then. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in next week's video. Bye-bye, my bunnies.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch as you feel. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.